Hello friends, welcome to GK Bit Bank channel. Today we are going to discuss important questions from the chapter Early Medieval Period, including the top 30 previous years questions. Let's begin. First question. Adivaraha was the title of which Gurjar Pratihara ruler? Option A, Vatsaraja. Option B, Nagabhatta 1. Option C, Mihira Bhoja. Option D, Nagabhatta 2. Correct answer is option C, Mihira Bhoja. Mihira Bhoja or Bhoja I was a ruler of Gurjara Pratihara dynasty of India. He was a devote of Lord Vishnu and adopted the title of Adivaraha Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Next question. Which one of the following ruler is not related to Gurjar Pratihara dynasty? Option A, Nagabhatta. Option B, Mahendrapala. Option C, Devpala. Option D, Bharatrabhatta. Correct answer is option D, Bharatrabhatta. While Nagabhatta, Mahendrapala I are prominent rulers of the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty, Bharatrabhatta I is not considered a part of this lineage. Next question. The great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajashekara was in the court of option A, Raja Bhoj, option B, Mahipala, option C, Mahendrapala I, option D, Indra III. Correct answer is option C, Mahendrapala I. The great Sanskrit poet and dramatist Rajashekara was in the court of Mahendrapala I. He served as the court poet and teacher for Mahendrapala I, an emperor of the Gurjara Pratihara dynasty. Next question. Who among the following was not a part of tripartite struggle? Option A, Pratiharas. Option B, Palas. Option C, Rashtrakutas. Option D, Cholas. Correct answer is option D, Cholas. The tripartite struggle was a conflict between the Palas, Rashtrakutas and Gurjara Pratiharas for control of Kannauj. The Cholas were a powerful dynasty in South India, but they were not involved in this particular struggle. Next question. Rani Kumaradevi, the queen Govindra Chandra Gahadavala has built the Dharmachakra Jain Vihar at which of the place? Option A, Bodh Gaya. Option B, Rajgriha. Option C, Kushinagar. Option D, Sarnath. Correct answer is option D, Sarnath. Govindra Chandra was the most powerful ruler of the Gahadavala dynasty. He expanded his areas to the Patna and Munjir areas in Bihar. Kumaradevi, a queen of Govinda Chandra Gahadavala, constructed Dharmachakra Jain Vihara at Sarnath. Next question. According to Hammir Mahakavya, the Chauhans were option A, Chandravamshi, option B, Brahmins, option C, Yaduvanshis, option D, Suryavanshis. Correct answer is option D, Suryavanshis. The Hammir Mahakavya describes the Chauhan lineage as being descended from the sun god Surya, placing them within the Suryavanshi clan. Next question. Who among the following rulers is famous as Prithviraj Chauhan? Option A, Prithviraj I. Option B, Prithviraj II. Option C, Prithviraj III. Option D, none of this. Correct answer is option C, Prithviraj III. Prithviraj III, also known as Prithviraj Chauhan, is the most famous ruler from the Chauhan dynasty and is widely recognized for his battle against Muhammad Ghori. Next question. Who among the following Rajput kings defeated Muhammad Ghori for the first time? Option A, Prithviraj III. Option B, Baghel Beam. Option C, Jaichand. Option D, Kumarpala. Correct answer is option A, Prithviraj III. Muhammad Ghori was first defeated by the Chalukya ruler Bhima II of Gujarat at the Battle of Kaidara in 1178 CE. Muhammad Ghori then turned his attention to Punjab and later fought Prithviraj III. Next question. Consider the following text and arrange them in chronological order. Statement 1, Fatwa I Jahandari. Statement 2, Prithviraj Raso. Statement 3, Kitab ul Hind. Statement 4, Tabakat I Nasiri. Select the correct answers from the quotes given below. Option A, 2341. Option B, 3124. Option C, 4312. Option D, 3214. Correct answer is option D, 3241. Next question. Devdang was the ruler of which dynasty? Option A, Chandelas of Jejakabukti. Option B, Parmar of Malwa. Option C, Kalchuri of Mahishmati. Option D, Kalchuri of Tripuri. Correct answer is option A, Chandelas of Jejakabukti. The Chandelas of Jajakabukti were a royal dynasty in India. The Bundelkhand region between the 9th and the 13th centuries was of their dominance. The Chandelas initially ruled as feudatories of the Gurjara Pratiharas of Kanyakubja. Next question. Match the following. List 1 rulers, list 2. Option A Nanuka 845 to 845 CE. Option B Vakpati 831 to 845 CE. Option C Yasho Varman 950 to 999 CE. Option D Dangadeva 925 to 925 CE. Codes. Option A 1234. Option B 2143. Option C 1432. Option D 4312. Correct answer is option B 2143. Next question. Who was constructed the Narayan temple at Chittoor? Option A Rana Pratap. Option B Raja Dang. Option C Paramara Rajabhoja. Option D Prithviraj Chauhan. Correct answer is option C Paramara Rajabhoja. Bhoja was an Indian king who ruled the Paramara dynasty of Rajputs. He ruled the Paramara dynasty from 1010 CE to 1055 CE. Merutunga's Prabandha Chintamani is a source of history of Bhoja's period in the Paramara dynasty. Bhoja is mentioned as Bhojadeva in Paramara inscriptions. Next question. Which among the following source threw light on the history of Paramara dynasty? Option A Navasahasanka Charita of Padmagupta. Option B Prabandha Chintamani of Merutunga. Option C Udaipur Prashasti. Option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. The Paramara dynasty was an Indian dynasty that ruled the Indian subcontinent between the 9th and 14th centuries. The Paramara dynasty ruled Malwa and its surroundings areas in west central India. The capital of the Paramara dynasty was Dar, a city located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Next question. The great Jain scholar Hemachandra adorned the court of. Option A Amogavarsha. Option B Kumarapala. Option C Jaisimha Siddharaja. Option D Vidyadhara. Correct answer is option B Kumarapala. Hemachandra was a prominent Jain scholar who was associated with the Solanki dynasty of Gujarat, initially gaining recognition at the court of Jaisimha Siddharaja and later becoming a spiritual and political advisor to his successor Kumarapala. Next question. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Option A Dharmapala. Option B Diopala. Option C Gopala. Option D Ramapala. Correct answer is option C Gopala. Its founder Gopala was a local chieftain who rose to power in the mid 8th century during a period of anarchy. His successor Dharmapala greatly expanded the kingdom and for a while was in control of Kannauj. Next question. Which one of the following rulers established Vikramshila University? Option A Gopala. Option B Devapal. Option C Mahipala I. Option D Dharmapala. Correct answer is option D Dharmapala. Dharmapala founded the Vikramshila University at Bhagalpur, Bihar. Pal Empire. Gopala founded the dynasty in 750 AD. He built the monastery at Odantapur, Bihar and considered himself the first Buddhist king of Bengal. Next question. In which among the following states Odantapur Education Center was situated? Option A Bengal. Option B Bihar. Option C Gujarat. Option D Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is option B Bihar. Odantapur, also known as Odantapura, was a prominent Buddhist university located in present-day Bihar, India. It was established by the Pala Emperor Gopala I in the 7th century. Next question. The Lakshman era was started in 1119 AD by which of the following dynasty? Option A Pratiharas. Option B Palas. Option C Chauhans. Option D Sena. Correct answer is option D Sena. The Lakshman era was started in 1119 AD by the Sena dynasty. This dynasty ruled in Bengal during the 11th and 12th centuries and the era is named after its king Lakshmana Sena. Next question. Who wrote Rajatarangini? Option A Megasthenes. Option B Kalhana. Option C Albiruni. Option D Herodotus. Correct answer is option B Kalhana. Rajatarangini, the River of Kings, is a metrical legendary of historical chronicle of the northwestern India subcontinent, particularly the kings of Kashmir. It was written in Sanskrit by Kashmiri historian Kalhana in the 12th century CE. Next question. Rajatarangini written by Kalhana is associated with which of the following? Option A. Chandragupta's Reign. Option B. Anthology of Lyrics. Option C. History of Kashmir. Option D. Reign of Krishnadevaraya. Correct answer is option C. History of Kashmir. Rajatarangini is a historical chronicle written by Kalhana in the 12th century, specifically detailing the history of Kashmir. The name Rajatarangini translates to River of Kings, reflecting its focus on the rulers of Kashmir throughout history. Next question. Who among the following laid the foundation of Rashtrakuta Empire? Option A. Dantidurga. Option B. Amogavarsha 1. Option C. Dhruva. Option D. Krishna 1. Correct answer is option D. Dantidurga. Dantidurga laid the foundation of the Rashtrakuta Empire in 753 CE by defeating the Chalukyas and overthrowing the last ruler of the dynasty, Kirtivarman II. He is considered the founder of the Rashtrakuta dynasty and established his rule in the Deccan region. Next question. The famous Battle of Takkolam of South India was fought between option A. Cholas and North Chalukyas, option B. Cholas and Rashtrakutas, option C. Cholas and Hoysals, option D. Cholas and Pandyas. Correct answer is Cholas and Rashtrakutas. The Battle of Takkolam was a significant conflict in South Indian history where the Chola dynasty faced off against the Rashtrakuta Empire. Next question. Where was the capital of Chalukya? Option A. Vatapi, option B. Shravasti, option C. Kanchi, option D. Kannauj. Correct answer is option A. Vatapi. The capital of the Chalukya dynasty was Vatapi, which is the modern day town of Badami in the Bagalkot district of Karnataka state. Next question. The Badami rock inscription of Pulkesin I is dated in the Saka year 465. If the same were to be dated to Vikrama Samvat, the year would be option A 601, option B 300, option C 330, option D 407. Correct answer is 601. The Saka era started in 78 AD while Vikram era started from 58 BC. So if we want to convert Badami rock inscription of Pulakesin I to Vikram era, it will be 465 plus 78 plus 58 equal to 601 Vikram Samvat. Next question. Who was the founder of Chalukyas of Vengi? Option A. Bhanuvardhan, option B. Vishnuvardhan, option C. Vijayaditya I, option D. Pulakesin IV. Correct answer is option B. Vishnuvardhan. The founder of the Chalukyas of Vengi was Vishnuvardhana. He was a brother of the great Badami Chalukya king Pulakesin II and established his own independent dynasty in 624 AD after serving as Pulakesin II's vizier in the Vengi region. Next question. Which Rashtrakuta ruler had defeated Vishnuvardhan IV? Option A. Krishna I, option B. Rajendra I, option C. Prabhakar I, option D. Dantidurga. Correct answer is Krishna I. Who defeated the eastern Chalukya ruler Vishnuvardhan IV? Krishna I succeeded his uncle Dantidurga and is also known for his patronage of art and architecture, including the construction of the Kailasanatha temple at Ellora. Next question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Ruler, reign. Option A. Satyashrai 997 to 1008 CE. Option B. Jaising II 1015 to 1043 CE. Option C. Someshwar I 1043 to 1068 CE. Option D. Someshwar III 1336 to 1340 CE. Correct answer is option D. Someshwar III 1336 to 1340 CE. Next question. Which dynasty built the Pancharathas of Mahabalipuram? Option A. Chera, option B. Chola, option C. Pallava, option D. Shatavahana. Correct answer is option C. Pallava. This was an Indian dynasty which ruled a portion of southern India from 275 CE to 897 CE. Since the extinction of the Satavahana dynasty, which the Pallavas served as feudatories, they gained prominence. During the reign of Mahendravarman I and Narasimhavarman I, it became a major power. Next question. Who among the following laid the foundation of the Chola Empire in the 9th century AD? Option A. Krishna I, option B. Rajaraja Chola, option C. Vijayalaya, option D. Parantaka. Correct answer is option C. Vijayalaya. Vijayalaya laid the foundation of the Chola Empire in the 9th century AD by capturing Tanjavur from the Muttarayyar rulers around 850 AD. Taking advantage of the conflict between the Pandyas and the Pallavas, this act revived the ancient Cholas dynasty and marked the beginning of the powerful medieval Chola Empire. Next question. A lot of details regarding the village administration under the Chola is provided by the inscription at option A Tanjavur, option B Urayur, option C Kanchipuram, option D Uttiramerur. Correct answer is option D Uttiramerur. The Uttiramerur inscription provides extensive details about the village administration under the Cholas, particularly the Kodavalai system for electing village assembly members. Next question. Who assumed the title of Gangaikonda Chola? Option A Rajendra I, option B Rajaraja I, option C Rajadiraja I, option D Kulotunga. Correct answer is option A Rajendra I. Rajendra I assumed the title Gangaikonda Chola after a military expedition to the Ganges river basin, which means the Chola who conquered the Ganges. To commemorate this victory, he founded a new capital city named Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Next question. Who was the Chola king to have conquered Bengal? Option A Rajaraja, option B Rajendra I, option C Rajendra, option D Rajadiraja. Correct answer is option B Rajendra I. Rajendra I was the Chola king to have conquered Bengal as part of his military expedition to the Ganga region. His successful invasion led him to assume the title of Gangaikonda Chola and he founded the new capital city of Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Next question. Who among the following Chola rulers converted the Bay of Bengal into a Chola lake? Option A Rajaraja I, option B Rajendra I, option C Adiraj, option D Kolutung. Correct answer is option B Rajendra I. During the reign of Chola king Rajendra I, the Chola navy was so dominant that the Bay of Bengal was effectively controlled by the empire and came to be known as the Chola Lake. His successful naval expeditions to the Ganga River basin in North India and overseas to Southeast Asia established the Cholas as a major maritime power. Next question. Which one of the following merchants in ancient was a corporation India? Option A Chaturvedi Mangalam, option B Parishad, option C Ashtadiggajs, option D Manigramam. Correct answer is option D Manigramam. Manigramam was a prominent and influential corporation or guild of merchants in ancient and medieval South India. These guilds were well organized associations of traders who played a crucial role in trade both within the Indian peninsula and with Southeast Asia and China. Next question. With reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs. Famous place, place present state. Statement 1 Bilsa, Madhya Pradesh. Statement 2 Dwarasamudra, Maharashtra. Statement 3 Girinagar, Gujarat. Statement 4 Staneshwar, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the pairs given above is are correctly matched? Option A 1 and 3 only. Option B 1 and 4 only. Option C 2 and 3 only. Option D 2 and 4 only. Correct answer is option A 1 and 3 only. Next question. Consider the following events in the history of India. Statement 1 Rise of Pratiharas under King Bhoja. Statement 2 Establishment of Pallava power under Mahendravarman I. Statement 3 Establishment of Chola power by Parantaka Chola I. Statement 4 Pala dynasty founded by Gopala is the correct chronological order of the above events starting from the earliest name. Option A 2143, option B 3142, option C 2413, option D 343. Correct answer is option C 2413. Next question. Consider the following pairs. Medieval Indian states, present regions. Statement 1 Champaka, Central India. Statement 2 Durgara, Jammu. Statement 3 Kuluta, Malabar. Which of the above pairs is are correctly matched? Option A 1 and 2, option B only 3, option C 1 and 3, option D only 3. Correct answer is option B only 2. Durgara corresponds to the present day Jammu region and the surroundings Dogra area. Thank you friends. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to GK Big Bang channel.